Santos Center team. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Papel Picado for Dia de Muertos. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is check the list of our materials. We're going to use crepe paper. That's the most important because it's the base of our papel picado. Then you can use tape or glue, scissors, or a cutter. You can also sometimes can draw what you want to do on your paper, so you can maybe use some pencils and a cord. Let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is cut our paper into the size we want for our papel picado. Remember, you can make it the size that you want. This is all on your hands. Something that I will love to tell you about Papel Picado is that comes from the Aztecs, so it's really old. Now it's used on this holiday or on national holidays and special occasions. Currently, the Papel Picado not only gives color to the offering, but also represents the air, one of the 4 elements that must be present in any offering. Let's continue. Once you have the size of your paper ready, we are going to make the cuts to decorate it. There are 2 ways. One is with a stencil and a cutter. It's a little bit complicated. So we're going to do with the freely, just scissors. At the time of the Aztecs, Papel Picado had different meaning from now. Was at the time of evangelization that this changed. Now, each color represents different things. For example, the orange represents the mourning. Purple refers to the Catholic religion. The blue ones refers to the kind of disease. It's more related to water. Red is for warriors or women who died during childbirth. Green is for young people. White for children. Yellow for the elderly. And black symbolizes the underworld. We hope this information helped you understand more about the Dia de Muertos. We're about to finish, so let's review. Remember, you're gonna take the papel crepe and we're gonna cut it on the size that we want. We will leave an area to glue the cord at the end. Then we will make folds and cuts to make the figures that our imagination can create. Remember, at the end, we're going to join them with the cord. And voila! We have confetti to decorate our altar for the Dia de Muertos. And this is the beautiful result of making Papel Picado. I hope all of you enjoy watching this video and learn something about Mexican culture. It's super fun to do and I really hope you do it in the future. And someday you can visit us at CSU Todos Santos Center. Thank you so much. Feliz Dia de Muertos and see you later.